Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we are talking about Instagram app. We are going to learn how to private Instagram account. Alright, it's very simple to do a private or switch your Instagram to a private account. So how can we do that? So first of all, you need to open your Instagram app. Then before going forward, I request all of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Just open Instagram, then tap on the right bottom corner of your profile. Then you should need to click on the top right corner three bar. Alright, after clicking here, just follow my steps to do private your account. Go a little down and here you can see option who can see your content, and first option is account privacy. You need to choose account privacy. Alright, after clicking here, then you should if you want to private your account, just click it and turn it on. Once you turn it on, what happens to you? Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. All right, if you enabled private account, then no public figure is able to watch your post, videos and text. Just your followers can see your photos, your post, your videos, your reels, etc. I hope this short tutorial is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.